Okay, let's move on to the next question. This is question number 4. Now we got consider the following. We got f of x is equal to 2 negative 5x, and you have h of x is equal to 5 raised to the power of x. First question is, we are expected, this is coming under subdivision A. Question 1, we are actually asked to calculate the value of f of 4. So let me show you how to calculate the value of f of 4. So what are we given? We are given f of x is equal to 2 negative 5x. So therefore, hence f of 4. This means at x is equal to 4. That's exactly what is happening here. There's going to be 2 negative 5 of 4, which is going to be 2 negative 5 4s are 20, which is going to be negative 18. So therefore f of 4 is equal to negative 18. You can box the result. So that's for the first part. The next part is, this is 2, we are asked to find h of 0. Okay, now since h of x is equal to 5 raised to the power of x, at x is equal to 0, we got, so what do we have? We have h of x is equal to 0, 5 raised to the power of 0. Now a raised to the power of 0 by the law of indices is equal to 1. So you can state that law. Since a raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1, so this means h of 0 is equal to 1. So that's the solution for this question. Okay, so having got that, let's see the next one. So this is 3. We asked to find fh of negative 2. Now this is nothing but f of h of negative 2. Okay, that is the meaning of this. So foremost, we have to find h of negative 2. So for that, you have to go up and take the value for h of x. So h of x is given as 5 raised to the power of x. So therefore h of negative 2 is nothing but 5 raised to the power of negative 2. This can be rewritten as 1 over 5 squared, which is going to be 1 over 25. So this is h of negative 2. So therefore f of h of negative 2 is equal to f of h of negative 2 value is 1 over 25. But f of x value is 2 negative 5x. So it's nothing but 2 negative 5 of 1 over 25. So you need to substitute the value for x. In place of x, it's going to be 1 over 25. 5 divides 25 5 times, so this is nothing but 2 negative 1 over 5. You take the LCM as 5. 5 times 2 is 10 negative 1. From 10 you take away 1, you get 9 divided by 5. So this is the solution for this question, 9 over 5. Now this is B. They are asking us to find f inverse of x. Now how do we do that? Now we know that f of x is given as 2 negative 5x. I'm going to rewrite this as y is equal to 2 negative 5x. Then you replace y with x and x with y. So this becomes x and this becomes y. Next, what you have to do is you have to rewrite the equation for y. So that means this can be rewritten as x, you move this 2 to the other side, so x negative 2 is equal to negative 5y. Next you divide by negative 5 both sides, so negative 5 goes away, you get y. Now you have x negative 2 divided by negative 5, so you have y is equal to x negative 2 divided by negative 5. I want to get rid of this negative 5, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply by negative 1 the numerator and the denominator. So this is going to be negative 1 multiplied with x negative 2 divided by negative 1 multiplied with negative 5. So this is what we have got. Now negative 1 is distributed. So negative 1 times x will give you negative x. Negative 1 times negative 2 will give you positive 2. Negative 1 times negative 5 will give you positive 5. I can rewrite this as 2 negative x divided by 5. What you got on the left hand side, you got y. So therefore f inverse of x is equal to 2 negative x divided by 5. So that's the solution for this question. Okay, this is part C. This is 4C. We are given that f of x is equal to a positive bx and we are asked to find, the values of A and B. So this is required. Now consider f(x). So this is nothing but f of x. But what is f of x? Okay, I'm going to write it here. Since f of x is equal to 2 negative 5x, so therefore fx is equal to, as I mentioned to you, f of x. Now in place of f of x, you substitute this. This is equal to f of 2 negative 5x. But f of x is 2 negative 5x. So wherever x comes, you need to substitute this. So this is nothing but 2 negative of 5 times of 2 negative 5x, which is nothing but 2 negative 10 positive 25x. I can rewrite this as 25x negative 8, which is nothing but fx. But fx is given as what? A positive bx. So this means 25x negative 8 is equal to a positive bx. So equating the x term first, we get, so what is the x term? 25. So what is the x term? B. So this means b is equal to 25. And then next step is what? Equating the constants. So when you equate the constant, we get, so what is the constant? Negative 8. What is the constant? A. So therefore a is equal to negative 8. So that is the solution.